Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and recently I purchased some fireworks from UK, France to be specific, and so I thought I would make a pretty cool video for you guys. I haven't compared them myself personally, but I thought I would do it now, and I thought I would film it for you. So basically what I'm going to be doing is comparing the United States firecrackers over here to the ones I bought in France over here. And basically just to give you an idea, and all you guys that like to see firework stashes, here's my US firecrackers. So I got a few packs of 16s here, 1.5 inch crackers. Then basically the exact same thing but separate with a longer fuse. These are called bunker busters or mini dynamites. They're kind of just clay filled with a bit of powder in them. And then very, very different are the ones from France. I have a whole bunch of variety. And just because some of you are probably curious, what I have here is Demon Giants. They're literally this big. They have a stupid short fuse which kind of concerns me, so I may have to extend that with some more fuse. I have a whole string of God knows how many. These huge things, which are not like the US version, I bought these from the States before and they were literally a firecracker this big filled in a tube, but I'm pretty sure this is legit the whole tube of gunpowder. I can't even read that. Petardi Vliskawai. Sorry about that. Alright, anyway, so same idea about the Demon Giants. Here, Super Demon, which I googled, and these are less powerful than the Demon Giants. And they have a longer fuse. Explain that one to me. I don't know. Anyway, moving on. We have the equivalent of the US little one firecracker, and I'll give you a hint and say that these are more powerful than these. The black ones are more powerful. So I'll show you guys that, and then probably move up in explosiveness. And the other thing they have in France, which I might show on camera if I get gutsy enough to do it. I've never tried these before, but they have no fuse, and they literally are just like these. Like, I think it's like a match where you light it on something and just toss it, but I don't really know. I might just stick it in the ground and light it with a lighter anyway, so I bet there's like a fuse inside, but I don't know how they work and I don't want to blow my hand up. I've done my research. And the last ones here, actually there's these ones too. I haven't even opened the box yet. They're just called Explosive 1, 40 Stutz pieces. I know it's upside down, sorry. Here you go. Petardi Blowiski Flash Bangers. Cool. Sorry if there's any French people, please translate it for me. And these are the last ones. They're like these triangle firecrackers. I'm sure you've all seen the video of someone dropping something like this inside of a sewer and blowing the lid up in the air. These are very powerful, and I'll also make sure to show you some of those. Anyway, so there's a little introduction. If I don't show them all in this video, make sure to comment down below if you want to see them, what you want to see them doing, whatever you want. So let's get to some testing, shall we? Okay, I thought it made the most sense to do the lame one first and then move to exciting. So what I have here is a US firecracker, just a little 1.5 inch, in a Tim Hortons Greek yogurt container. And, oh poo. I set it up so it should fall right before it's about to explode so we can light it safely and run away. So, let's see what kind of damage this does, and then we'll toss in an import and see how he does. So as you can see, no damage to the cup. Had a good reaction though, and it just cracked the lid. So next up we're going to be doing the exact same experiment with the Greek container as well, with this even smaller France firecracker. Okay, here we go. Alright, probably similar damage. Oh no, more damage for sure. So there's the damage. We got a split and cracks in the top. And the thing to remember is that there'd be even more damage, but what happened the first time is we broke the lid so the pressure could escape easier. I bet if the lid wasn't broken, this would look like a peeled orange. Next up we have a plastic cup with some sand, and first we have an American bunker buster, they call it, and they claim that they're loud. They're really loud. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and set that on the shoebox, light it up, and see what the damage is, and then probably put in one of the super demons and compare. Okay. Alright, go ahead.
What? That's so lame.
Alright, so yes, it actually exploded. And I can prove it to you because of the smoke. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, absolutely no damage. The lid didn't even come off. Just so you know, there is a hole in the top of the lid, as you probably saw my girlfriend lighting it. So let's upgrade, shall we? So next we're going to be putting a super demon inside of the dirt cup. And by the way, this is a super demon in case you forgot. And this is a giant demon. So we'll be doing this inside of some dirt, and then skipping the crappy American firecrackers and showing you the giant demon and a triangle firecracker inside of a shoebox, and we're going to try and make a rocket to send to the moon. Alright, here we go with the Super Demon Smoothie. $1.99 at your local Tim Hortons. Packs a punch. That is unacceptable. Alright, we gotta move up to the giant demon, I guess. That was rather upsetting, so what I've done is taped a longer piece of fuse to this firecracker. This is the giant demon, which apparently is a lot stronger. It feels like a legit cardboard tube. So let's see if that does a bit of a better job. Alright, here we go. Giant demon with extended fuse. So stupid. Alright, getting a little bit better. Although I was definitely expecting more. So we burnt the side of the cup. But other than that, nothing huge. So let's move on. Alright, so I didn't want to use this on the cup, but apparently the dirt is actually pretty tough to bust. So we're going to go ahead and use the huge giant triangle. I'm going to extend the fuse again. Then after this, I'm going to show you some of those match crackers and show you how they work. So make sure to stick around, even though this is going to be nuts. Alright, here we go. Extreme Blend Smoothie. If this doesn't blow the cup up, I don't know what will. But I promise you will not be disappointed.
Oh my god. That part right here is inside the
We got it, guys.
Oh my god.
I think we killed the neighbors in the process. But I'm going to go handheld and show you guys the cup. Alright, let's start collecting the pieces you can find. You find some over there?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I want to see what the farthest piece is.
Alright, let's try and find the farthest piece.
It's right there.
So here's starts of the cup. Remember, it was right here on this shoebox. And the furthest we found was probably a few meters away.
Oh, hello.
Oh, here we go. Let's just keep looking for the farthest piece we can find. I think the moral of the story here is that no piece is bigger than this. So I think that firecracker definitely did its job. So props to the triangles. Anyway, so let me show you those match crackers now. But first, I'll probably play that back for you guys in slow motion. Sorry, cup. So now I'm going to show you these little match crackers, and this is called a Viper 1, If anyone lives in the UK would like to explain to me how this works, I literally have no clue. I'm going to guess you're supposed to strike it on something, but first I'm going to go ahead and place it in the ground, and then light it on fire like you would any other match, and hopefully that works. Alright, so I'm just going to try and light the top. I hope it works. Alright, so this is called a 5 bangs. I'm not sure if that means it's 5 times as powerful or goes bang 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 5 times. But I'm going to try and light it on that rock, then toss it in that shoebox and close the lid and see what happens. I'm kind of scared because I've never done this before, but let's see how we do. Actually, I'm not going to close the lid because I want to be the heck out of dodge by the time it goes off. So let's light it on the rock and see if it works. It's not working. I don't know what to do.
Light it.
Okay, we're gonna light it with a lighter. I'm no professional Francian. Alright, so it's inside the shoebox, the lid pretty much closed. And I'm gonna be the classic noob and light it with a lighter. Alright, so first we're going to be making a rocket, and for comparison's sake, first I have a little US firecracker. Alright, so it made the bucket jump. And now, probably go back a little bit. We're going to be doing the France firecracker. And I'm hoping to make a rocket, but it could just blow up the bucket. So we're gonna have to be very careful. Alright, here we go. Alright, so thanks for watching, everyone. I hope now you are educated. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bonus footage. Sorry for the outro, then extra footage. I'm going to try one of these white ones. It says 3 grams, which sounds like a lot. And we're going to put it inside of the shoebox. And I'm going to light it and run away. I'm just going to stick out the fuse so I can light it with the box closed already. Alright, here we go. Oh dear. That's so exciting. Alright, let me know if you want to see any more experiments. And as always, be very safe. And I might show you guys one of those inside of like a chicken from the store just to show you what would happen. Let me know if you want to see that. Thanks for watching.